Hello, hello. I just did a pour and it turned out so amazing that I wanted to do a quick tutorial. So today I'm going to do a throat pour. All you need is some acrylic paint that's been mixed with floetral or whatever your pouring mix is. First, I'm going to lay down my base color. I'm choosing white. And I'm going to spread that all around here. I do this so there is no issues when I want to tilt. Everywhere has been covered so I don't have to force myself to tilt in an area if I don't want to. A cup here that has some paint. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Perfect. And my other color that I want to do in this pour is black. I squeeze it in there, try to get it inside the other color because I'm gonna just throw it. And then inside you'll see it's gonna just start popping up. I'm going to tilt this a little bit. Oop. All right. I really like this design here, so I tried to keep it. Now we should see cells pop up all through here. I still have some in my cup, so I'm going to use a little bit. All right, I'm going to go in and touch up my edges. But there we have it. Just an interesting dynamic piece. The background looks pretty cool too. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share. Find me on Instagram.